Happy Sunday, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. This is outfit for today. Very simple dress, and I will chat with you guys much later. Welcome to a new vlog, and I'll see you guys next clip. Hi. Hi guys, it's the next day and it's currently 2:35 and I am sick. It's just now I'm trying to get off bed and make breakfast for myself because there's nobody at home and I couldn't go to work today. I'm having oats this afternoon for breakfast / lunch, and I use this granola in my oats so that it can add some form of honey, because it has honey, some sweetener inside. My voice my voice is done, so that is what I add, and it also has like dried fruits in it, so it's a plus. And yeah, my oats is almost done. It's gone and my office keeps calling me. They keep calling me because I have a lot of things to do, so I'm actually begging my colleague, not begging her, she's kind enough to like carry the work, but I still need to overlook something, so I literally just got off a call. But anyways, let me finish my food, and I also feel like eating popcorn. Another annoying thing is the construction that is happening. Can you hear the banging? It is making my head a bright side. The fun thing about having a home garden or a fruit garden in your house is that you get to get free fruit. So we harvested this banana during the weekend and we've given a bunch to people because it gets very huge. So we have 2 here. So I'm going to have that with my oats. So 1 here and another one. I will be making smoothie very soon because once they get ripe, they'll get ripe at once and it's like smoothie. So yeah, that's the plus side about having a fruit garden, because you get to have it with your oats. So I'm gonna have this with this. The worst kind of cramps you can think of. It literally just destabilized me the whole night. So I don't think I really got any sleep, and then being outside today, I did not feel like myself. I'm not even gonna lie, I did not feel good, you guys. I felt bloated, my eyes felt heavy, I felt unrested. You know how it gets first day of your period. Yeah, guys, good morning. I literally can't remember the last time I vlogged because your girl has been sick, and I've been sick to the point that tomorrow is my birthday, and I just realized that I cannot just not do anything. So guess what I did? I asked the hair girl, my nail tech, that please, is there space? And she's here to reply because and also the cake situation. I think I'm gonna use the cake person I used last year because her cake is so good. But I'm thinking I'm doing this no sugar thing, so do I need a full cake? Because who is going to eat the cake? And now I'm thinking of where I'm going to go. I think I'm going to solo this birthday because I'm just going to celebrate my own special way.
I think I'm gonna solo this thing and just find a restaurant, dress up, get my makeup done, do my hair, do my nails, solo this whole thing and just have a cute time with myself. I think that's what this whole birthday just feels like, just spending time with myself. So no boys allowed, no girls allowed, just me and myself. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. I really hope she can squeeze me in because we've been together for a year now, so I'm hoping my new tech can squeeze me in, but that's what's been happening. I've just been so sick, and today is meal prep day, so I'm going to the market with my mom. We're going to plan out the meals for this week. I literally just woke up. Not just woke up, I've been on my bed since, and it's like 8:36, and I realized I need to bring out my camera and actually vlog. But wish me happy birthday in the comments, because by the time I post this, my birthday should be done. But anyway, guys, I have to stand up and start my day because it's gonna be a long one. Now I'm getting excited for my birthday. I'm still even sick because I've not even gotten my test results. It takes like 3 days and I don't know what's wrong with me yet. Hopefully it's nothing, but just to be sure. Anyway, guys, I'm getting excited for my birthday now. My birthday is too early in the month, like 2nd of August. It's too early. Like, why can't it be like the 16th, 17th? So I have time. Guys. Anyway, good morning. I just came here to ramble and go. Well, good morning. So let me go see what my mom is doing and get on with my day, and I'll talk to you guys maybe when we're going to the market or when I'm getting my nails done, because I said I was going to give my nails a break. And I'm not doing biab again, by the way. I'm not doing biab again. My nails are not for biab. They're too sensitive and too soft, and mainly one popped off, the nail broke. So I keep my acrylics for like almost 2 months. Biab barely 2 weeks. Do the math. I'm just gonna do acrylics.
By virtue of what God has. What is the preacher saying? I got my heart for the word satisfied. Let me not get any position and get satisfied.
So I just got back from the market and I got bell pepper for 6,000. Each one was 1,000 and they are very big, so I'm happy about this. I got that at a good price, 500. I ended up getting 2 of this, and I also got 1 garlic inside, which was 500 as well. And I got soy sauce for my beef sauce and also for my asun rice, and this was 1,2. Chai seeds from the market also, this was 1,000 each, so in total 2,000. I got cloves and cinnamon. This was 300 and this was 200. This was 500 for my sauce because I like my food very spicy, so I got this very hot pepper. So I got condensed milk. This was 2.8, which was very cheap. Like, my mom and I were very surprised. We got culture. This was 3.5, right? This was 3.5. Surprising. I don't know why it's expensive. I'm making Greek yogurt soon. I don't know if we can make it today, but I'm really excited about this. We got coconut for 805. We'll just boil it up and snack on it, and I love it so much. This was 1.5. I got 1 kilo of chicken feet. This was 2.5, and I'm so excited. I'm going to make peppered chicken feet for 8.5. This was 1 kilo and it's so huge. This was a full leg and I got this for 10,000, which is a really good price. This is for the asun rice, so exciting. I'm done prepping the chicken feet, so I'm just going to put this in the freezer, and when I want to eat this, I'll just easy on the go because it's already prepped. But this took so long. It took so long to do this. Like, it's a lot of work.
The man when they talk anything, that she can't answer. I don't want you to keep doing that long. Like that, girl, can you remember?
Remove small portion because I want.
It's my birthday. Like, guys, it's my freaking birthday. We got everything done. We got our lashes done, cute. We also got our nails done. Let me show you my nails. Like, can I put you guys on here? You're literally standing on my makeup bag. Okay, I think. Okay, see this freaking nails. Like, what the heck? My nail tech is so real. She's a real one because she was closed for the day. She didn't have a booking yesterday, so today she opened up for just me, and luckily she had her lash tech there. I was like, okay, I've never tried lashes before, let me give it a try. I did a cute simple set. We're getting glammed up right now for my birthday dinner, and let me get ready soon. Like, I'm gonna just listen to my Beyonce playlist, jam, and just enjoy myself because I'm so excited. And everyone that wished me happy birthday, like, the love was so much. I'm so happy. Thank you, everyone. And I also got gifts. Who sent me gifts? We know cards. I don't know who sent me gifts, but thank you so much. And my heart is so filled up. So let's get glam because I'm going for my birthday dinner, and I said I was not going to go with anyone, but okay, let's just get glam. I'll just see you guys later. Guys, I'm done with my makeup and I think it looks amazing. I did a really nude neutral look, and I think this fits my face and my features better. What do you guys think? So I'm just going to accessorize, then chill a bit. I'm losing daylight. It's currently like 6:13 and my date is for 7:30, so I still have a bit of time. I just wanted to film early because of daylight and all of that, and just show you guys my makeup and my glam. I look so cute, but I'm gonna put on my accessories and I'll just show you guys the full look before I just rest up a bit because I've been like go all morning. Then just rest up a bit, then we can head out for our date. But I look good. Before I accessorize and all of that, I realized that let me just unbox some of the gifts I got. Let's start with this. I got this jewelry. This is so lovely. Should I wear it today? It's so pretty, guys. Whoever sent this, thank you. I hope there's a note inside this one, but this is another gift. If you know me, you know I love when my gifts are packaged right. So whoever did this knows me. So let's unbox this. Okay. I need scissors for this. Let me go get scissors. So let's unbox it. I'm so excited. I don't want to ruin it. I think it's the jewelry. I'll just put this. Okay. Oh my god, guys. This is beautiful. Who got me this? Oh my god. The first thing is this watch, guys, and it's gold. Then the bracelets. Oh, this is so cute. Why is there no notes? I don't know who sent this. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Who sent this? No freaking notes. I don't know who sent this, but whoever sent this, thank you so much. You literally made my day. Let me go put on my accessories now and just chill a bit now. But I'm so happy. I'm literally so happy. I'm trying to see if there's a note, but there is no note. Oh, but anyway, guys, I will talk to you guys much later.
Actually,